Welcome back everyone to my channel here at Fast Times Garage. I really hope everyone has enjoyed my episodes thus far in this new journey of mine into the YouTube world. But what we got going on here this weekend, we're going to go to a car show. Okay, so we're going to use this Griot ceramic speed shine right here. This is one of my favorite products to use. I'm really into like detailing and using all different types of products, but this is like one of my go-tos for daily use to do light dusting and keeping cars nice and shiny. But also this car, I don't actually physically wash the car because I don't want water touching it anymore, because there's a lot of water intrusion in a lot of different places and I don't want water getting in those places. So thus I use the ceramic speed shine, or I would use a waterless wash at this point to keep this car looking nice and pretty, because this is the original 50-plus-year-old F7 green on this Dodge Dart here. The only paint that's not original obviously is the front clip, the fenders and the hood. A friend did for me, and he really hooked it up to get the front clip looking nice and good, just like a Hemi Super Stock, which I decided to keep it that way. But this product's really good to keep this car nice and clean and nice and shiny, because the paint wasn't always like this when I had it. It was really, really dull. I spent a lot of hours cutting and buffing it. There's still some thinner spots, but it's really not that bad for how old this paint is, because it really does shine. So let's go ahead and spray some of this on here. Let's do a full wipe down of this car.